The second the sun goes into Taurus, it will be immediately creating a grand fixed cross. This is some really interesting and dynamic energy to work with. You're going to want to locate Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio, and Taurus in your chart. And this is where all the action is. And a grand fixed cross is, I'm looking at it as a really amazing opportunity to unlock and dislodge yourself from some really locked in fixed energy. So sometimes it causes disruption. Sometimes you have to take the cosmic jackhammer to really churn up and bust through some concrete. So if you are feeling like there is some things that just like are not going to be able to move, lean into this energy. I'm looking at the position of Black Moon Lilith as sort of a superpower, as far as having the ability to face something within that it's maybe been something that you've locked it away, you've repressed it, you've suppressed it, you've had to hide. And now with the sun shining on this, creating this opposition, it's like, how can we bring light and alchemize this former pain, this wound, this rejection, this part of ourselves that, makes us cringe? That's also in a square to Mars and Leo, which Mars and Leo is like, let's fucking go energy. And it's brave. So there is that component in the mix. It's also working with Pluto and Aquarius. And this is like some very big picture power dynamic shifting. So think about how this is hitting your chart. There will be different themes. I say dig in and use it as an opportunity. You can unearth some things this Taurus season.